In previous class, we have discussed about vector multiplication. In today's class, we will discuss about addition of two vector quantities. Let us suppose P is a vector in this direction, Q is a vector in that direction. This is P, this is Q. We want to add two vector quantities. So, we should have this is called parallelogram law of vector addition we are discussing about. From the help of parallelogram law, we will able to find the addition of two vector quantities. What does parallelogram law states? It states that if two sides of a parallelogram, if two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are represented by two vectors, then the diagonal drawn through the point of intersection of those two adjacent sides will give us the resultant vector. This is the resultant vector R. Okay. The angle between two vector quantities is theta, and the angle of the resultant vector with the p vector is phi. Let us suppose that. So we have to calculate the magnitude of R and also the angle that the resultant vector makes with the angle P, with the vector P. Okay. So if this is theta, this is the corresponding angle. This is also, you can say, theta, corresponding angle. This is perpendicular. O, you can say this point is called A, this is B, this is C, this is Q vector, this is N, the normal drawn from the point B on the extended side OA. If this is Q, this is also Q. Now, from the triangle, right angle triangle OBN, we have OB square equals to ON square plus BN square. OB square is the magnitude, square of the magnitude of the resultant vector R. ON square, you can write it in form of OA plus AN whole square plus BN square. Then we have OA square plus twice OA into AN plus AN square plus BN square. OA is nothing but P square. 2 into magnitude of P. AN is nothing but, you can take AN by AB. You may also have the rough work. AN by AB is cos theta. So AN equal to, you can say, AB cos theta, that means Q cos theta. So Q cos theta, and this AN square plus BN square, this one, this becomes AN square plus BN square gives you AB square. So AB square is Q square, you can write in just magnitude order. So P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. That is the value of R square, you can say. So we are getting the magnitude, square of the magnitude. From that, R equal to, you can say, root over P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. That is the generalized formula of addition of two vector quantities. Got it? Now the angle. How can you get the angle? The angle is, you can write here, tan phi equals to perpendicular by base. So you can say BN by ON. So you can say BN equals to, you have AB sine theta by OA plus AN. You can write AB as Q, magnitude of the vector, so Q sine theta. Then you have OA as P and AN as Q cos theta. So you are also getting the angle tan phi equals to this, tan phi equals to this. So you are having phi tan inverse Q sine theta by P plus cos theta, P plus Q cos theta. In this way, we can get the resultant, the magnitude of the resultant as well as the direction of the resultant vector. This is the way to find the resultant vector by adding two vectors. If you understand it, then you may like it. I think this class will help you to understand the addition of two vectors P and Q by parallelogram law. If this goes well for you, you can share it, you can subscribe the channel. Thank you.